Hello, children. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. This is your science period. I hope you all are good. So, students, today we will continue with the exercises of lesson 6 Food and Health. So, all of you take out your science copies quickly and start doing your work. आप लोग अपनी साइंस की कॉपीज़ निकाल लीजिए and start writing. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 16th 9th 2020. On the next line, write down the classwork. Underline the classwork. On the next line, write down the lesson number and lesson name. So today we are going to do lesson 6, that is food and health. Lesson 6, food and health. Underline the heading. On the next line, we will write our exercise name. So today we are going to do tick the correct words to complete the sentences. So write down the exercise name now. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. Alright, this is our exercise name. Underline it with the help of your pencil and scales. Students, I have noticed that many of you are not underlining the headings. Please underline your headings as your work will look neat and clean and it will look beautiful. Alright, so let's start our exercise now. Number 1, our first question is, we should wash our hands oblique, put a small line, tilted line like this. You will draw a small line, एक छोटी सी line आप draw करोगे थोड़ा टेढ़ी सी, that is called slash or oblique you can say. Legs before and after every meal. Put a full stop. So we should wash our hands or legs before and after every meal. What should we do? We should wash our hands. हमें अपने hand wash करने चाहिए या leg wash करना चाहिए before eating anything. So I have discussed with you that we should always wash our hands before and after eating, before and after having any meal. Alright, because if we will not wash our hands, whatever the germs will be there in our hands will go in our body with the food that we will eat. जो भी खाना हम खाएंगे उसके साथ क्या होगा, जो भी जर्म्स हमारे हाथ में है वो हमारे बॉडी में चले जाएंगे and we will fall ill, और हम लोग बीमार हो जाएंगे. So we should always wash our hands before and after every meal. Alright, so our correct answer will be hands. So we'll put a tick mark. You have to just put a small tick above the correct answer. Students, please be careful. आप ऐसा टिक लगाइएगा कि जो लिखा है वो ना कटे. And please do very neat and clean work. बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरा काम करिएगा. जो स्टेटमेंट लिखा है it should not be cut. Alright. Now let's move to the second one. we should not we should eat stale oblique fresh food. Put a full stop. Students, what type of food should we eat? It should be fresh or stale. हमें कैसे खाना चाहिए जो फ्रेश हो, ताज़ा बना हो, या बासी हो, which is not fresh. So stale means not fresh. So we should eat fresh food. हमें हमेशा fresh food खाना चाहिए. It is good for our health. So our answer will be fresh. So we will put a small tick above fresh. Alright. Let's move to the third one. Number 3. We should not eat covered oblique uncovered food. Put a full stop. We should not eat covered or uncovered food. हमें कैसा food नहीं खाना चाहिए which is covered or which is uncovered. So we should not eat the uncovered food because uncovered food are not good for our health. The food which the street side vendors used to sell, जो सड़क पे street side vendors जो होते हैं, जो eatable items बेचते हैं, they are uncovered. It is not good for our health. So we should not eat the uncovered food or roadside food. It is unhygienic. We should always keep the food in the covered vessel. हमें हमेशा food को ढक के बर्तन में रखना चाहिए. And we should always eat the covered food, not the uncovered one, because it is not good for our health. So our answer will be we should not eat uncovered food. हमें uncovered food नहीं खाना चाहिए. So we will put a tick above uncovered. All right. Now let's move to the fourth one. Number 4. We should eat food in clean oblique dirty plates. So we should eat food in dirty plates? No, we should always eat food in clean plates, because if we will eat food in dirty plates, then the germs present on that plate will go in our body with the food that we are going to eat on that plate. अगर हम गंदे प्लेट्स में, गंदे बाउल्स में खाना खाएंगे तो हमारे क्या होगा, जो जर्म्स है वो प्लेट में जो है वो हम फूड के साथ हमारे बॉडी में चला जाएगा and we will fall ill. So we should always eat food in clean plates and bowls. So our answer will be clean. So we'll put a tick mark above clean. Alright. Let's move to the fifth one. Number 5. We should wash fruits and vegetables before oblique after eating. So what does it mean? We should wash fruits and vegetables before or after eating. हमें फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स को खाने के पहले धोना चाहिए या खाने के बाद धोना चाहिए. So we should always wash the fruits and vegetables before eating, because after eating if we will wash them it doesn't make any sense, because अब तो खा ही चुके हैं. What is the use of washing? So we should always wash the fruits and vegetables before eating. So our answer will be before. So we will put a tick mark above before, because जब खा ही चुके हैं तो वॉश करने का doesn't make any sense. Alright. So our answer will be before. We should wash fruits and vegetables before eating. So students, these are the 5 questions that we are going to do in this exercise. Tick the correct words to complete the sentence. I hope you have understood it. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, and you will follow it in your daily life in order to stay fit and healthy. आप लोग इन चीज़ों को follow करोगे so that you can become fit and healthy. Alright. So now it's homework time. Write down your today's homework. Homework. Do activity given on page number 49 in your books only. So you have to do this activity in your books only. ये काम जो आपको अपने बुक्स में ही करना है. You will not write this in your copies. Alright. Now let's see what this exercise is. This is your page number 49 and this is your homework. You have to do this in your books only. There's a story given to you, small stories given, and 5 options are given to you. So you have to choose the correct option. You have to put a correct sign in front of correct answer and cross sign in front of the wrong answer. So here's a story given to you. I'm just reading it out so that you can understand it. Just for your convenience, I'm reading this story. Renu went to the market with her mother. There is a girl. Her name is Renu. She went to the market with her mother. She asked her mother to get her a plate of cut fruits from the roadside vendors, and she wants to eat cut fruits from the roadside vendors. The fruits that the street vendors used to sell, she wants to eat those fruits. So she asked her mother, but her mother refused. But her mother denied. No, you should not eat it, because this is not good for your health. You should not eat those fruits. So mother said that eating uncovered food is not good for the health. Her mother said, no, you should not eat those food. It is not good for your health. She could fall ill. You can fall ill. That you should not eat those fruits. What do you learn from the above para? So what do you learn from the above para? So what is the lesson given to you from this story? So you have to put a correct sign in front of correct answer and cross sign in front of the cross answer, wrong answer. Alright. This is your homework. You will do this in your books. Okay. And this is your classwork that you will do it in your copies. Alright. So I hope things are clear to you all. That's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.